I was not expecting this today. This is a pond out in Crystal Lake. It looks like it's in full bloom. I thought it was turning over the last time I was here. Anyways, it's September 15th. It's a I'm using my Loongze DBC-1 on my tail walk telescoping rod, 5 pound, 5 foot. Using Z-Man ticklers in white with the glow ahead 1/28 ounce 4-pound Sunline sniper fluorocarbon. Let's see if we can get into anything. It doesn't look promising, but wow, it's horrible. It's bad. Well, let's see what we can get done. This is pretty bad. Instead of dying off, it looks like it went into full bloom. The last time I was here, it looked like it was dying out, but it looks like, yeah, I'm not sure what happened here. We're going to another spot, but I'm going to drive all the way up here. Ooh, I actually caught one in this muck. I am surprised. A crappie nonetheless. Persistence. Nice one too. Look at that. Big old eyes. You can see that there? Maybe I'll try it a little longer. I was just about to give up on this spot because I've never seen it this bad before, but there's one in there. Oh, he's feeding on bugs, you can see. Huh? I got a fluff in the line, I gotta get it out. It's crazy. I had, just like the other day, I had a fluff in the line. I just kind of cast it out there to get rid of it. And once you know it, a fucking smallie right out there in the main current. I don't know. Some of my subscribers that have been with me for a while, I actually keep track of the fish I'm catching. I haven't had a very good year. That last one I got in Crystal Lake was 271. This is 272. My personal goal for the year is to try to get 352, which is the number of days in the year. Here's number 272. One year I had 1,000, but I had like a month and a half. I went through a dry spell where I didn't catch anything. That was like 2 years ago, but I do keep track. It's just kind of a personal thing of mine, so I realized my numbers weren't really there like they were. I don't get out as much, but I still keep track. So that was 272. Back to this little area. Ooh, right out there in the current. Not very big. Oh, I got off. I'm actually on my way to South Belgium, but there's a little stream. I kept passing it. I'm like, it's a feeder one that goes into the Fox River. Let's give this a shot and see what's in there. So I've never been down this area before. It's kind of a cool little area. There's a bike path. Excuse me, I'm still a little sick. Looks like it goes through a little tunnel, the bike path at least. There's another little footbridge over there. There's this up here. It's really low. This creek is low. I did see one fish in there, but maybe a spot to return to wade through it to see how far up it goes. The Fox River is not too far from here. This will empty out into it. I'm not exploring, but this area looks kind of juicy. I'm going to be quiet. Ooh, caught one. Caught one in there. Not very big, but I'm trying to get him out before he scares everything off. Not a bad one for a little creek. He's a chunker. 273 for the year. Which you could find in little creeks. And he's feeding, you can tell. Nice. Nice, nice. I'm glad I stopped here. Come back in. So I got snagged. I was out exploring. I didn't know what to expect down here. I should have carried my little pocket lure. It's the only one I got. So I got to climb down to it. Oh my god, the stuff I do. I just gotta run it through here quicker. I can't let it sit. The good thing kinda, I brought my sandals. Some Carhartt shorts. So let me just walk out of here. I'm already in the water, so I'll fish this here. Ooh. Almost got my feet open on that rose bush. Well, here's the tunnel. I might return down here at some point. And I had one fish on. I lost another one. I did see a bigger one down there. Not sure if it was a game fish, but oh, you can't get around it. Oh, you can't get to it unless you're on top. It's like the train trestle. No trespassing. At least we explored it. We know what's here. So I'm out at the South Elgin Dam. I'm gonna fish this area through here, see if there's anything sitting in here. Ooh, first cast. And he got off. Let's try it again. Ooh, I was adjusting my drag. Nice largemouth 273. Not a giant one, but he wanted it. I just was adjusting the reel because I wasn't getting the distance that I normally I'd like to see. I mean, I'm looking at what I'm throwing. I guess I'm asking too much, but 273. There we go. Ooh, that feels like a nice one. He's going wherever he wants to. Tighten up the drag a little bit. Ooh, he just ran with it. I'm not even turning on. He's going way out. I gotta tighten up the drag. He's gonna go around the bridge. Holy cow. Oh, he got off. They always get off. He went around the bridge piling. Shit. There we go. I can't believe I lost that giant one. He actually went around the piling. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. That's what, 274. A tiny one. That big one, oh my god. I was thinking maybe a northern or a pike. Or a northern is a pike. Because the way he was pulling like a snake, he was kind of like. And yeah, he went around the bridge piling. I should have just, when I saw that, I should have just tightened up the drag. I don't know. I only got 4-pound test, so it's, what can you do? Alright, we're gonna work on the other side. Ooh, there we go. Wasn't really paying attention. A crappie out of the fox. Oh my god, that's insane. I have not caught one out of the fox in a long, long time. Crappie day today, huh? Nice looking. Look at the big eyes. The ticklers, that's 275. Check my count. 76. They're getting bigger. They're getting bigger. There it is. Largemouth. 77. They are definitely getting bigger. I'm at the Elgin Dam. There it is. Giant Pithecus. Yes, I lost my white tickler, so I got a Z-Man shad fries, I think it's called, like on a pearl type color. So like I said, I'm at the Elgin Dam. We're gonna call it a day. 277. There's conditions are way different today. Looks like another bloom happening, or like a turnover kind of. I don't know. Wish I would have landed that big one I had in South Elgin. Wasn't meant to be. Well, we're gonna wrap it for today.